Picture this. You're over 60. You wake up in the morning, and when you try to get out of bed, your legs feel weaker than they used to. Carrying groceries is harder. Climbing stairs feels like a workout, and even opening jars can be frustrating. This creeping weakness has a name: sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle that comes with age. And here's the truth: if you ignore it, it steals your strength, your independence, and your freedom. But what if I told you there is a simple thing you can add to your water every single day that helps fight sarcopenia, rebuild muscle, and keep you moving strong? Stay with me, because in this video I'll reveal what it is, how it works, and why doctors and scientists are paying attention. And at the end, I'll share an inspiring way you can rebuild strength starting today, no matter your age. Why sarcopenia is so dangerous after 60. You don't just lose muscle mass, you lose confidence. Weak legs make you worry about falling. Weak arms make you depend on others. And before long, you may start avoiding activities you used to love. This cycle of weakness leads to slower metabolism, weight gain, loss of balance, and even more fatigue. The CDC warns that muscle loss is one of the top reasons seniors lose their independence. But here's the hopeful part. Sarcopenia isn't inevitable. You can slow it down. You can even reverse it. Muscle is your longevity organ. Think of muscle as your body's longevity organ. It's not just about looking fit. Muscles help control blood sugar, lowering diabetes risk. Strong muscles protect your bones, reducing fractures. Muscles pump blood, keeping your heart and brain sharp. And most importantly, muscles keep you independent. Every sip of water, every bite of food, every movement can either feed or starve your muscles. And that's where today's simple solution comes in. The simple addition to water. So, what can you add to your daily glass of water to fight sarcopenia? Whey protein isolate or collagen peptides with leucine. Here's why. Whey protein is rich in essential amino acids, especially leucine, which triggers muscle growth. Collagen peptides support connective tissue, tendons, and joints, all of which keep muscles working smoothly. When dissolved in water, they're easy to digest and quickly available to your body. 1 scoop in water each morning or after light activity provides the raw material your muscles need to rebuild instead of wasting away. The science behind research from the Journal of the American Geriatric Society shows that older adults who increase high-quality protein intake, especially leucine-rich protein, can significantly reduce muscle loss. Another study found that collagen, combined with resistance exercise, improved muscle strength and lean body mass in men over 60. Why does it work so well? Because after 60, your body becomes resistant to building muscle. It needs more protein, more often, to trigger the process. Adding it to water ensures your body gets what it needs, isolate, daily, consistently. How to use it? Here's how simple it is. Fill a glass with water. Add 1 scoop, about 20 grams of whey isolate or collagen peptides enriched with leucine. Stir or shake until dissolved. Drink in the morning or right after walking, stretching, or light exercise. That's it. No complicated diets, no expensive treatments, just a glass of water. But now, supercharged to fight sarcopenia. Extra boosters to add want to make it even more powerful. Try these add-ons. A squeeze of lemon gives boosts absorption and adds vitamin C. Creatine, 3 to 5 grams, gives proven to improve strength in seniors. Electrolytes gives keep hydration and muscle function steady. This turns your morning water into a muscle rebuilding tonic. What to expect? Here's what many over 60 notice when they start adding protein to water daily. Week 1 to 2, slight increase in energy, less soreness. Week 3 to 4, strength returns faster, walking feels steadier. Month 2, noticeable muscle definition, fewer struggles with daily tasks. Month 3 plus, more independence, stronger grip, confidence, climbing stairs. It's not overnight, but little by little, your muscles respond. Back to your independence. Remember that moment at the start, when you struggled to get out of bed, or felt frustrated carrying groceries. Now, imagine this. You rise more easily, your legs feel steady, you carry the bags, open the jars, and even get back to hobbies you thought were lost. That's the power of feeding your muscles what they need. Here's the truth. You are not too old to rebuild muscle. Your body is still listening, still responding. Every sip of protein-rich water is like telling your muscles, "Dan T, give up on me. Keep growing, keep me strong." And when you stay strong, you keep your freedom, you keep your independence, you keep your life. So try this simple habit, add it to your water, stick with it, and then come back here and tell us how it changed your mornings, your strength, your confidence. Because your story might inspire someone else who's ready to fight sarcopenia and reclaim their strength. And don't forget to subscribe, because in our next video, I'll reveal over 6 to eat these 8 fruits to stop tingling hands and weak legs. You don't want to miss it. Until then, remember, age may slow you down, but it doesn't define you. With the right habits, your strongest days can still be ahead.